Hello, second graders. I am going to review with you Math Lesson 88B. There's nothing new in this lesson. It's all review, but I will do a quick review with you before you start in case you have some cobwebs that need shaking loose, gotten rid of. Okay, count by 11s. Watch out for this, you guys. Usually you start with 0, but this time you will just start with 11, and I'll sing you our count by 11 song. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. There you go, count by 11s. Number 2 says, find the sum. It's a really long addition problem. Remember to find tens. When you find two that are 10, cross them off and then write 10 plus below and then add up all the tens at the end. Number 3 says, find the difference. Write the terms on the line. It says difference, subtrahend, minuend. So it's in the wrong order, right? So you put it in the right order. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. And make sure you write in cursive, okay? I will do this subtraction problem for you as a review. Make sure that you ask the question, is the big number on top? And if you say no, then you have to regroup. Don't forget to regroup. This is a subtraction problem, so we ask, is the big number on top? No. Regroup. Cross off the 1, leave it as a 0, put a 1 in front of the 1 so that it becomes 11. 11, 6, is the big number on top? No. Regroup. Cross off the 7, leave it as a 6. Put a 1 in front of the 0 so that it becomes 10. 10, 4. Is the big number on top? Yes. Subtract 6, 2. The answer is 246. Okay, do that for all of the subtraction problems. They're all subtraction. Don't add. Subtract. Okay? The next one, number 4, says count by 2s. So first grade, you guys, I'm not going to do that for you, but I will remind you to start with 0. Number 5 says, what fractional part is shaded? So I have the rectangle problem on the board that I'll do with you, and then I'll want you to do the triangles on your own. When you do this, make sure you first count up the number of shapes that are totally shaded already. So there's 1, 2 that are totally shaded. So we're going to write a big 2 because 2 of them are shaded. And then on this one, we'll use a fraction. What fraction of this shape is shaded? 1 piece is shaded. So that will be the top part of our fraction, the numerator. And then how many pieces are there total? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces total, denominator, so there's 2 and 1/3 of these shapes are shaded. So you figure out the triangles. You figure out the triangles on your own. Problem number 6 says find the product, write the terms on the line. The terms you're going to use are these ones. Multiplicand, product. Make sure you write in cursive. And for these, it just wants you to multiply, okay? So 5 times 8. Do your count by 5s 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The answer is 40. That's how you would do all your multiplication problems. Pick a count by that you know best and then count up that many times. Number 7 says work carefully and neatly, which means divide neatly and color in the lines. Okay, coloring in the lines, so preschool, you guys. First, it says to divide your circle into 8 parts and then color 3 of the 8 parts red. I won't do this whole problem with you, but I will remind you what the names of the shapes are, and then I'll expect you to read the directions carefully so that you know how many pieces to divide the shapes into and then how many pieces to shade, okay? But just a reminder, this is a circle. A hexagon has 6 sides, 6 S-I-X, hexagon, H-E-X. They both have X's, 6 sides. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. A square, a rectangle, and this last one is a trapezoid. I will divide the trapezoid for you because trapezoid can be tricky. We're supposed to divide the trapezoid into 3 equal parts. Start at the bottom right here and then go up to one side and then go up to the other side. And what you have is 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. There you go. The last one, number 8, says draw a line of symmetry on the alphabet letters. So, symmetry, divide it in half. It's a mirror image. Remember that? I'll do that one more time. Symmetry, divide it in half. It's a mirror image. So, for the letter A, you need to divide it in half so it's a mirror image on both sides. The only way to do that is to do a vertical line so that it's a mirror image on both sides. For the letter X, you actually have 2 options. You could either divide with a vertical line or a horizontal line. I'll choose a vertical. Whoop. But you guys can choose whichever one you want. And then for the letter C, we cannot do a vertical line because that would not be a mirror image, but we can do a horizontal line because that would be a mirror image. All right, that's your review for Math Lesson 88B. Have fun, you guys.